What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, welcome to the channel. Alright, so we're going over Dogecoin, giving you an update on some of the things going on in the Dogecoin world. So, if you're not familiar with what Dogecoin is, it is a meme coin, one of the most popular meme coins that are out there. It is currently ranked number 7 on Coin Market Cap, with over 1,000 or over 1 million people having it on their watch list. At the time of this recording, Dogecoin is priced at 31 cents. They are down 2.54% overall. Uh, but despite that, Dogecoin is starting a small little rally. In my personal opinion, they jumped up from around this 19-cent low that they had around the July 5th, 8th time frame, more around July 11th, heading all the way down to 19 cents. So they've rallied up quite significantly from there. But we're going to be going into some of the updates in the Dogecoin world. So, going on here, one of the updates I want to tell you about is Watford FC Sports Dogecoin logo and sponsorship deal worth almost $1 million. So, FC Sports, we can see the Shiba Inu meme inspired crypto's logo appears on Watford's shirt as part of the sponsorship deal with stake.com. So the Shiba Inu, so Watford FC players spotted the Dogecoin logo on their shirts sleeves as the soccer team returned to England's top tier Premier League on Saturday. The Shiba Inu meme inspired crypto's logo appeared on Watford's shirts as part of the club's sponsorship deal with crypto betting platform stake.com. The deal is worth about $970,000, so almost a million, according to a report by The Athletic on Saturday. So, The Athletic just being a sports reporting platform, talked about it on Saturday. Stake.com announced in July that it would mark the sponsorship deal with a giveaway of 10 million Doge, so about $3.5 million on its platform. Dogecoin's debut on Watford's shirts saw the North London club make a triumph Premier League return with a 3-2 victory over Aston Villa on Saturday. So a lot of people liking Dogecoin sponsoring this soccer team. So I think it's pretty cool overall that they can sponsor soccer teams. It definitely gives a lot of exposure, great marketing tactic by Dogecoin and Stake.com. Another thing that I want to talk about is Robinhood, who just recently IPO'd a couple weeks ago, stated that Dogecoin accounted for 62% of their crypto revenue in quarter two. So crypto made up 50% of transaction-based revenue in the second quarter, up from 17% in the first quarter. So Robinhood disclosed that 62% of their crypto revenue was from Dogecoin. So definitely, Dogecoin making a huge impact on the platform. And I think they'll continue to have it on there as time goes on. It says more than 60% of its funded accounts traded crypto in the quarter. So that means basically more than half of the people who are trading crypto are trading Dogecoin. So definitely very interesting overall, and just shows the longevity and the strength of Dogecoin as far as its community is concerned. There are a huge amount of people who are trading Dogecoin in their community. So this is Dogecoin's Twitter page. Dogecoin says that it's going to be releasing Dogecoin 1.14.4. It's going to be released on GitHub, so it enables upcoming free restrictions, improves synchronization speed, so 2.5% in some cases, RPC or get peer info improvements, GUI options to add peers and import private keys, and peer traffic visibility and security fixes. So, pretty big update coming to the Dogecoin world. Much wow coming to the Dogecoin world. Looks like they have 2 million followers on Twitter, so the cryptocurrency is growing more and more every day. in popularity. So definitely going to be looking to see how they perform over time. Drop a comment down below with your price point of Dogecoin. Do you think Dogecoin will get to $1? And it's getting closer and closer um, to that, in my personal opinion. It had like an all-time high around like 75 cents. We haven't seen it retest that yet, but with the current exposure and it continuing to grow more and more followers, that may happen here pretty soon. In my personal opinion, it's starting to hover or continue to hover around this 31 cent range for some time, but once this thing moves, it does start to move fast. So there's no telling on how fast Dogecoin would potentially move, getting closer to that 75 or 70 cent range high that they had probably about a year ago. So good luck to everybody out there trading, and shout out to everybody holding Dogecoin, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.